Food, an important part of our daily lives. Now, Panasonic meat grinders can make both dining and food preparation more enjoyable. Ingredients finely ground by extra sharp precision ground cutting edges. High performance grinding. All Panasonic meat grinders are designed for quality with attention to the smallest detail. Let's see why their performance is so outstanding. First, let's watch one in action. The Panasonic meat grinder grinds meat more quickly and smoothly than the other grinder. Comparing the results, the choice is obvious. The Panasonic meat grinder grinds meat more finely and evenly than the other grinder. The secret is the specially designed grinding mechanism. Let's take a look. Point 1. Sharper cutting edges. Crucial to a meat grinder's performance are the cutting edges of the blade and screw conveyor. Panasonic meat grinders feature a screw conveyor with an edge that's sharp enough to cleanly cut meat. Thanks to the blade's extra sharp edge, meat is cut finely and evenly. Point 2. A narrow groove pitch. In Panasonic meat grinders, the groove inside the chamber has a narrow pitch, so meat is extruded smoothly, without clogging. Point 3. Screw conveyor rotation. The Panasonic meat grinder rotates about 2.2 times faster than the other grinder, so it grinds more quickly, with a finished volume about 2.6 times larger. Sharper cutting edges, a narrow groove pitch, screw conveyor rotation. These design features give you fine, cleanly ground meat and make food preparation quick and easy, adding joy to cooking.